Hi everyone, let's talk about breakdowns, fault finding and all that world. And especially for you, the homeowner end user, don't get conned into paying for parts he or she installed because they saw somewhere saying, oh, it's that pink part, or it's that blue part, or it's that fan or gas valve. They go and change it and they charge you and the boiler's still faulty. Don't fall for that con. Always pay by credit card where you can charge back the amount if the boiler has not been fixed correctly and lasted at least a year after the repair. For you, the engineer, whether you're an installer or a fault find engineer, just learn how to do breakdowns and diagnostics. I got really good by a very simple process. I went to the factories. I went on courses non-stop most years to Baxi, Valent, Intergas, Honeywell, Danfoss, Drayton, Worcester, Vocera. I went round loads of them, Ideal as well, of course, but most of the factories I went to simply to gain that knowledge and that practice to really find out how to test the bits. That's where my app comes into place because I've used all of that knowledge that I've learned for you for a shortcut. So watch the 21 videos, and if you're not sure, leave me a comment below, send me an email, whatever, and I'll help you to get better. But don't go around people's houses, point to a part because somebody on social media says, yeah, it's definitely that yellow bit on the left. That's definitely faulty. They leave rubbish things behind. Please don't fall for those things. If you want to know what's wrong with it, phone the factory, give them the make, the model, the serial number, roughly what's wrong, what you've done or what you haven't done is more important. But phone them first. I've got an app, F22, with lots of fault codes. That'll help you a great deal. I've got another app to do with wiring. So you can see it might be, I've had this, a simple wiring fault. Somebody's gone in there, changed the wires for I don't know what reason, and the heating's gone off. So you need to learn. Practice makes perfect. There is not a circus act on the planet that doesn't practice 24 hours of the day, 7 days a week. And we have the hardest job on the planet. Being a breakdown engineer is extremely difficult, but it takes practice and it takes knowledge from people who are better than me, and that's the tutors in the factory. So please like and subscribe to the channel and take care. Please like and subscribe to our channel and share the video. If you're a homeowner or an installer with a central heating problem, leave them in the comments below. I do answer every single question that's put to me. Thanks again, all the best and take care.